Tom here with Affordable Comfort Heating and Cooling. A dirty furnace blower can cause many problems, from decreased heating efficiency to increased energy bills and costly repairs. Let's look at some of the causes and potential problems associated with a dirty furnace blower. So what are some of the symptoms of a dirty furnace blower? One of the more common signs is increased energy bills. If your furnace runs less efficiently, it will have to work harder to heat your home, which will use more energy and cost you more money. Another symptom is decreased heating capacity. If your furnace can't meet the demand, your home will be colder than usual and the furnace will be running more frequently. Finally, furnaces with a dirty blower can also overheat, causing them to shut down on a regular basis. There are several reasons why furnace blowers get dirty. One is lack of maintenance. Over time, dust and dirt will build up on the blades, causing them to work less efficiently. Another reason is that the furnace filter is not being changed often enough. Furnace filters should be changed every few months at a minimum, but people often wait much longer. If the furnace is full of dirt, debris, and dust, it will eventually make its way onto the blower. Fortunately, there are some things you can do to prevent or fix these issues. First, make sure you change your furnace filter every few months at a minimum. Secondly, ensure you're having regular maintenance done on your furnace. This means a tune-up and cleaning once per year. Many reputable companies have a maintenance plan you can join, such as our Comfort Club, to make sure this is very affordable and convenient. If you think your furnace blower might be dirty, don't wait until there's a problem. Contact a professional HVAC technician today for an inspection and cleaning. And remember, regular maintenance is the best way to keep your furnace running smoothly and efficiently. By following these tips, you can keep your furnace blower clean and avoid any potential problems associated with a dirty blower. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us. We are always here and we are always happy to help. Take care.